Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get an animated profile picture on Steam. If you've ever seen those cool moving avatars and wondered how people get them, this tutorial is for you. Let's get into it. So here's the problem. By default, Steam only lets you use static profile pictures. You might try uploading a GIF, but it just turns into a still image. That's because animated avatars are part of Steam's profile customization features, and not everyone knows how to unlock or use them. Now I'm going to open Steam and click on my profile name in the top right corner. Then I'm clicking on View My Profile. Once you're here, click on Edit Profile. Then go to the Avatar section. As you can see, right now I can only upload regular images. But to use an animated avatar, you need to have Steam points, and that means you need to have purchased at least one game or added funds to your account. Once you've done that, you can access the Points Shop. Let's go ahead and open the Points Shop. You can find it by hovering over your name and clicking on Points Shop. Inside the shop, you'll see all sorts of profile items. Scroll down and click on Animated Avatars. Now here's the fun part. You can browse tons of animated avatars. Pick the one you like and click on it. Now I'm clicking Equip or Preview Profile to see how it looks. If you haven't bought it yet, just click Redeem. Most animated avatars cost around 3,000 Steam points. Once you redeem it, it's yours forever. Now let's go back to Edit Profile again and check under the Avatar section. As you can see, your animated avatar is now available to select. Just click it, hit Save, and you're done. If you want even more customization, you can also grab animated frames or backgrounds from the Points Shop. It really makes your profile stand out. And that's it. That's how you get an animated profile picture on Steam using Steam points. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from our channel. And if you have any question or comment, drop in the comments section. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.